Oligarchy comprehension check. Answer the following questions after reading the station. First, write your first name in the box here. Then write your last name in the box here. You will then select your class cycle number. Number 1. What is an oligarchy? A type of government in which the power is in the hands of one person. A type of government in which the power is in the hands of a small group of wealthy men. Or a type of government in which a king or queen rules. Number 2. What does the word oligarch mean in Greek? 1, many, or few. Number 3. What are aristocrats? Farmers, men that inherited land from their families, or artisans? Number 4. What did the oligarchs do when the poor did not like the laws that they passed? The oligarchs used the army to force people to obey the laws. The oligarchs asked them why they did not obey the laws, or the oligarchs changed the laws. Number 5. How did the oligarchs lose power in ancient Greek city-states? The oligarchs quit. Military leaders who promised to improve people's lives used soldiers to overthrow the oligarchs, or the kings took control.